Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th and we are on chapter triangles for revision. Okay, and since we are facing Omicron lockdown, so we have to continue our studies, our revision for upcoming unit test 2. I hope there is no issue with it, okay, because only 2 chapters are left, triangles and chapter number 34, that is mean and median. Alright, so let us see. First we'll see the properties which we can use to solve the questions, right? So you can see a triangle in which line BC is extended to D. So here you can see that this is the exterior angle. Angle X is exterior angle, that is angle ACD is exterior angle. Y is interior angle, angle A and angle B. Okay, so the property says that the exterior angle is equal to sum of angle A plus angle B. Interior angle A and interior angle B. X is equal to sum of interior angle A plus interior angle B, which means that opposite of X. What is opposite of X? Angle A and angle B, right? So we say that it is exterior angle property, means angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B, right? So the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angle. Alright? See once again, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior, here interiors are angle A and angle B, opposite, interior opposite angles. So opposite of X is angle A and angle B. So X is equal to angle A plus angle B, which is called exterior angle property, right? Now let us see the other property. Other property is, you can see here, X plus Y, that is exterior angle plus interior angle which is adjacent to it. What is adjacent to X here is Y. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are the angles which share one arm. So here the arm shared between two angles is arm AC, means angle ACD and angle ACB are adjacent angles and their sum is equal to 180 degree. So here in this case we see that angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, if I extend from this side, so this will become exterior angle and these two will become interior opposite angles. Okay. So we have studied two properties. Now let us study the third property. Now a triangle is given. Any type of triangle can be given. I can use this triangle also, but here I have taken specially this triangle. What is the property? The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means what? These are interior angles. These are angle A, angle B and angle C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Means when I add interior angles of a triangle, that is angle A here, angle B and angle C, I will always get 180 degree. If I am not getting 180 degree, means they are not angles of a triangle. With them, those three angles, measure of angles, if 180 degree is not coming, the sum is not coming 180 degree, we say they are not angles of a triangle. Alright. So to find out whether these are angles of a triangle, what we should do? We should add them and we should find the sum. So the sum should come 180 degree. Right? Okay. So here question number 1. Question number 1, find the unknown angles. So here you can see, find the unknown angles means X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R. If these types of alphabets are written, we say they are unknown angles. Means we don't know its value. We don't know their value. So here you can see 70 degree, 60 degree and X. What does it mean? That these are three interior angles of a triangle. So you can see here, these are three interior angles of a triangle. So we have added them and sum is 180 degree. So using this property, 70 degree plus 60 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. We will get value of X. Okay. Now here also same thing. You can see here 20 degree, 30 degree, 65 degree and X. So here X is unknown value. So what I'll do is I'll just make this as one angle. I'll consider this as one angle. Okay. So 20 plus 30 degree plus 65 degree plus X degree is equal to 180 degree. Now you will say, why miss you have taken both the angles? Because I am considering triangle PQR. If I name it as triangle PQR, I am considering angle P becomes 20 degree plus 30 degree, right? So angle P is 20 degree plus 30 degree, which is 50 degree. So 50 degree plus X plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? So this way you have to solve. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So transpose the values from left hand side to right hand side and get the answer. Question number 2. Find X if the angles of a triangle are X degree, X degree and X degree. What does it mean X degree, X degree, X degree? It means that this is first angle of a triangle, this is second angle of a triangle and this is third angle of a triangle. So means there are three angles of a triangle. Means when there are three angles of a triangle, what you should understand is that we have to use this property only. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So here also same property and here also same property. So please try to solve it. Question number 3, you can see in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 60 degree. Find angle C. So angle A, B, C. So angle A is 60 degree. Angle B is also 60 degree. What is angle C? So here also you will utilize sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Alright. So same way you have to solve it. Now question number 4. Find unknown angles. Now here you can see as your figure is showing that there is an exterior angle and opposite to exterior angle, two interior angles are given. This shows that I have to use exterior angle property. X is equal to angle A plus angle B. So here 120 degree is equal to X degree plus 60 degree. 120 degree is equal to X degree plus 60 degree. Reason is exterior angle property. We have studied this, right? Okay. So revision of chapter triangles includes these many questions. 4 questions are there and you can solve and you can practice other questions also. But these are just examples which I have given for understanding and you have to solve it, write the solution because and you will get the solution is tomorrow's, that is Tuesday's video. Okay, so you have to solve these 4 questions which I have given. You can see these 4 questions. You have to solve them and write it in your notebook It is compulsory. Only 4 questions are there. Concept also is clear. And so please solve it in your notebook, and solutions will be given on Tuesday. And second thing about this chapter is about constructions of triangle. That also revision is done in the class. On Saturday we had done it. So I hope there should be no issues. Thank you so much, and please take care and follow all the protocols. Thank you.